Alright, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from China. This is Ferry Bridge. Is that a sticker? No, that's on there. Ferry Bridge Huo Guo Liang Maocai Instant Hot Pot Noodle. I'm going with, this is maybe like Little Sister's Hot Pot Noodle? I don't know. And it says it's Chuan Xiang flavor? Chuan Xiang? That is just a guess. I'm hoping I'm right. The deal is, it's funny with this one. If you want to cook it in a pan, you put everything with 1,000 mils of water and boil it for 5 minutes. But if you want to do it on a bowl, like instant style, it's 500 mils of water for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna steep it because, well, first off, there's the amount of time that it's gonna take, but then there's the amount of liquid, and I feel like if there's some disparity here. I don't think it should be that much liquid. So I am going with the directions that they've offered that seem like they'll be probably a better fit. So let's put these noodles are kind of weird. Check these out. They're thick too. Let's put them on in. How's your day going? I got my second COVID shot yesterday. Holy cow. Not only that, the allergies. Oh my god. It's ridiculous. So much allergy. Allergy. I am sick of allergy. 8 to 10. I'm gonna set this for... I'm gonna go for the full 10. We'll break out of it while we do that, but we'll do some stuff before that. We got this big sachet of sauce. Let me put this here. Yeah. The allergy thing is just killing me, and I've been looking at the allergy forecast over at pollen.com. Yeah, that does exist. I've never been that big on getting allergies, but apparently it's big on me getting them. And then we got this one. This big old sachet. So we'll put this one in there too. So it's like Hotpot. I hope it's good. This seems like a non-self-cooking hot pot. Last time I had one of these, it did not agree with me. Let me just be really nice about the way I put it. It definitely it came out quicker than it went in. Yeah, it was a bad scene. But hey, you know, it was a self-cooking hot pot. Oh, there's some. This is lotus bean. I don't know what these are. Maybe yam, maybe taro. Probably taro. A lot of vegetables though. Oh yeah, this is so full of Szechuan pepper. I'm gonna absolutely hate this. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, maybe. Let's put that to the side. What are you doing, little sister? Why you make food like this? I don't like it. You know I don't like it. Let's do our quote of the day. We have one quote a day out of the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. This is the guy who invented the instant noodle back in 1958. Number 261. Nothing beats the taste of mother's cooking. But since its appeal is bound up with the love and trust between mother and child, it does not necessarily seem so special to others. Yeah, and I get that. Let's see. Oh. All right. Call after this episode is done. So starting tomorrow and hopefully for the next 3 episodes after that, or 2 episodes, the next 3 episodes, we should be joined by esteemed colleague and author Matthew Bella, the guy who is doing the book about the serial killer that he corresponded with. So that should be some interesting fun. And yeah, what else? What's going on? So I felt like crap last night, right? So I got my COVID shot. And I felt kind of like, woo-be-doo, woo-woo, hey. And I also had allergies, so I'm like, well, when I feel like crap, I'm under the weather, I don't feel well. There's only 2 things I want, really. That's chicken McNuggets and dessert. That's it. That's all I care about. Like, can I have some chicken McNuggets? Can I just have some chicken McNuggets? I just want some nuggets, you know. I'm not talking like exactly like. I don't want the ones from McDonald's. Those things are too salty and they're yeah, no. But the frozen ones you bake in the oven, right? So we go put down the kids together every night. And we sing them their songs, and we give them their hugs and kisses, and we put them down. Well, I'm out of the room first. She finishes up with reading them a story, and then kisses them goodnight. She's like, "Can you turn on the oven? Can you preheat it?" I'm like, "Yeah, I can do that. Cool." Well, we baked her a cake the other day, and I think there was maybe like a good slice and a half left. And it was in the pan with a plastic spatula, and it was sitting in the oven, and I didn't realize it. I put it in there and took it out multiple times yesterday because, well, I like cake as well, and I was having a couple little noshes off of it. Well, as it turns out, 425 degrees of preheat time, and I was thinking like, man, it smells. Wow, it's been a warm day. I'm surprised somebody's actually using their fireplace. Huh. Some people must get that cold. And she comes out and she's like, "Whoa, you didn't take the cake out of the oven, did you?" I'm like, "Oh crap." And she was bummed because she wanted to fit. It was her birthday cake that me and the kids made for her. There was only like that big of a piece left, but that's a pretty good sized piece of cake. So, like, tell you what I'm gonna do. I'll get you another cake. I'll bake you another cake. So, I got another cake this morning, and I'm gonna bake it and frost it and let the children decorate it yet again. And so I couldn't find, like, on what day was that? Tuesday? It was the 13th. It's the 16th. But anyways, yeah, I think it was Tuesday. Wednesday? Yeah. I was looking for candles in our junk drawer to put on the cake. And I found the 2 candles from when the kids each turned 2. For some reason, we had their candles for their second birthdays. And so I'm like, perfect. So I went, happy 22nd birthday. She liked that. I'm like, you can't be 21 this year, you have to be 22. Double deuce. So yeah, well, we got 2.5 minutes left. Since you'll be watching this further out from now, they just started opening things back up in a major way. A lot of relaxed restrictions since COVID. And what do we got? Shootings, mass shootings. We've had crap loads already. They just had, and then there's the whole Derek Chauvin trial and all that crap. They just they're going to rest their cases on Monday, and then they're going to have the jury's going to deliberate. But yeah, 6 of the protests will be tonight in Minnesota. Nothing here yet. But then freaking cop just shot a 13-year-old kid who didn't have a gun. So that's going to get ugly. So yeah. I don't know. It's like things ain't right. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Or you can't have your cake, eat it too, and preheat your oven to make chicken nuggets. You can't do it. You can't do all that. If you want to have your guns, you're gonna have to change the way that you get them and stuff. I don't give a jack shit about the Second Amendment and the perversion that's been done to interpret it the way people want to because they want stuff. I think it's freaking juvenile and stupid. If you're in a place where you really need to have a gun, maybe you should think about getting out of that fucking place. I don't know, but yeah. I mean, you can stab people. You go, but, you know, I don't know. I think the main problem here is the people. I think the big problem we have in our society is Americans. But, you know, some people will get pissed off the way that me saying that, but it's true. Come on. There's countries that they have guns. There's countries also where they don't have guns and things are fine too. But the gun thing here, that's so front and center all the time. You can't escape it. People from other countries come here. It's like, wow, you know, you could move here. You could live here. No way. Too many guns. Wow. What's that? I don't even know what this thing is. Yeah, what is that? I guess since it's been 10 minutes now, it's safe to try. This is just such weird stuff. I'll try anything. Doesn't mean I'll like it. I'm gonna go with taro. I like potato-like. Ooh. And here's the lotus bean pod. Give this a try. It's alright. Yeah, I gotta say these noodles look interesting. Okay. But aside from that, I think I'm good. I don't know that I want to try any more of this. This is really weird stuff. There's more of that potato. Okay. Okay. Whew. Yeah, but it just bums me out because it's like I know somebody's gonna go, dude, I came here to watch something about noodles, not to hear politics or you get on a soapbox. I don't care. Go somewhere else. Bye-bye. If you comment that, I'll just block you. I'll ban you. How you like them apples? I mean, it's like, dude. Anyway. Just don't get me started. America is just like such a not nice place anymore. Everybody used to say hello in the morning. You're walking around. Oh, hello. Hello, how are you? Everybody's afraid of each other. What a fun place to live. Best place in the world, they say. And people are afraid to say hello to each other. God, that stuff is horrible. I can tell you the score I'll give it. I mean, it might be authentic and all, but I think it tastes like crap. I'm giving that a 0 star. It's just too much. Make it look a little prettier, but... And I like Hotpot, don't get me wrong. Just that much Szechuan pepper, it's just such a monotonous slog of hell. Oh, come on. This bowl is a problem. I thought this would be a fun bowl to have, but it's actually... Ooh, that's kind of neat. There you go. But yeah, getting political in this episode. You guys know where I stand on shit, so... Yeah, people be nice. Oh, cool. I thought I turned it off. Oh, here we go.